Hello guys, welcome back to this video. And this video I'm going to show you how you can create a list in Python. All you have to do is just create a variable and then you have to store your list in this variable. As you can see, I have created a variable called as tutorial list. Then I have to write equal to sign and then I have to write square brackets, and you have to write down your list in between the inverted commas. After creating your list, you have to write another for loop in which you'll take another variable. I'm going to write for I, and then you have to write in, and then you have to write tutorial list. So what happens is that these fruits will essentially get stored in that I, and when I print this I, it will display me these fruits. As you can see, when I run the code, it displayed me these fruits. So that's it for the video guys. Make sure to like and subscribe.